Why is this mixed berry salad so kidney friendly? This salad is packed with kidney-friendly superfoods. Welcome to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathia Ford, and today we're making a raspberry vinaigrette berry salad that is so good. You're gonna love it. It's tasty and it's full of antioxidants and super easy. It takes you 10 minutes. Romaine lettuce is low in potassium and full of hydration. We've got strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and those are lower in potassium than other fruits, and they're packed with antioxidants. Almonds provide healthy fat and are a nice crunch in the salad. We also have lemon juice, vinegar, a little bit of mint, and oil to make our dressing. So we're gonna make a homemade raspberry vinaigrette, and then we're gonna mix it all together and have a taste. First, we're gonna make our raspberry vinaigrette, and we are going to add the raspberries. Making your salad dressing from scratch, lower sodium. We're not even adding any salt, just what's naturally in the foods. This recipe is quick and easy to make. Okay, that's our blending of our vinaigrette. I'm gonna kind of scrape out the lid just to get every last little juicy piece. All right, next step, just put the rest of the ingredients into your bowl. I told you it was easy. And if you want a little extra crunch, you can put your almonds on a pan in the oven at 350 for like 4 or 5 minutes and toast them. I didn't toast them for this recipe. All right, now I'm gonna mix it together so that it's well blended. And then we're gonna put the dressing in here and have a taste. All right, let's pour our dressing. I still have a few little pieces of raspberry, but it's gonna have a lot of that delicious raspberry flavor. And then you just toss it to mix it. This truly is a mixed berry salad. Has raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. You're gonna wanna mix this right before you serve it. Since you put the dressing on it, it can wilt if you let it sit for too long. So, all right, I'm gonna serve some up and have a bite. See how much flavor we've got in here. It smells delicious. Okay, there's our salad. Let's have a bite. None of the flavors are too strong. Oh, I got a piece of that mint. I can really taste the mint. This is so good. It's a great summer salad. And it's great and full of antioxidants. You're gonna love it. This is the perfect balance of sweet and tangy and crispy. So try this for your next kidney-friendly meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me what you think in the comments.